Hello, we are from the veteran Bank Nusantara University, the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. To be more specific, we are from the Department of Mathematics Education. So, we are a team of 4 people. There, I am Bulan Sesio, and here my partner is Elizabeth Putri, Angga Yulianto, and Ulfi Fauzia. What's come to your mind when you hear the word math? It's hard, it's dizzying. For many people, the feeling of tension and anxiety that come with trying to solve a math problem can be overwhelming. To overcome this, mathematics teachers play a very important role in education, more precisely teaching. Mastery of the material assigned by student, of course, is very dependent on the teacher. How the teacher converts the material, how the teacher uses the right model when the teacher teaches, are important factors in supporting mathematical learning. Before entering the material, we would like to disclaim that. So, let's get it. In Global Opportunities for Young Entrepreneur Growth, we raise the title Global Pandemic: Alternative Solution in Education with Augmented Reality. We know that we have been living with COVID-19 for more than 2 years. Many countries have COVID-19, and from all business sectors, the education sector has also been affected. In this case, Education Weeks was initially carried out by meeting, logging in the school and environment is not really carried out yet. The education system is undergoing a transition.
Then how does Indonesian education face the challenges? Namely by switching from an offline system to an online system or distant learning from primary and secondary level to tertiary institution. But is it effective? Unfortunately, it is still not effective.
Based on Save the Children findings, 646,000 schools in Indonesia were closed during the COVID-19 pandemic, affecting more than 60 million children. As many as 40% of students lost their motivation in learning due to boredom, too many assignments, less fun learning method, no interaction, and affecting or over facilities. Another problem that was found during distance learning, 20% of parents admit that it was difficult to provide learning materials for their children. Even sadly, 1 in 4 of 23% of parents said teachers did not monitor their children's learning activities at all. There is even data that 1% of 60 million Indonesian students feel they have not learned anything during the online teaching process. Based on the policy of the Ministry of Education, only about 1 to 2% of education units can conduct face-to-face learning.
Next, we're gonna talk a fun topic. We're gonna talk mathematics. What about mathematics in the learning process? Let's look at the following data. As many as 53.52% of students think that mathematics is difficult to understand. Based on a survey in one of the junior high school in our area, of course, according to one math teacher, the students' ability to solve geometric problems is still low. As evidence, by the daily test, scores of students still have not reached the minimum score. In this regard, we are interested in designing an Android-based augmented reality application to help students learn geometry as a modern educator.
So, what is augmented reality? Maybe most of you are already familiar with augmented reality, but it's not a common from those who don't know. One of definition is from Pramana Grata in 2018. Augmented reality is a technology that is developing and is in great demand today because augmented reality can fit into various application environments. Augmented reality can be applied to the field of the knowledge, entertainment, health, and many others. And then why augmented reality? Characteristics of augmented reality include students combining real objects with virtual, interactive, and in real time and presented in three-dimensional form. In augmented reality learning, students not only understand the content, but also including skill, self-assessment, critical thinking, and interest in field of science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. Then, when can augmented reality be implemented? This learning can be used when educators want to condition active learner-centered learning, where students have a more interesting learning experience. And how the general state of the learning flow. In general, the user will use application and capture the scan result from the controller with valid data, and if it's validated, a 3D image will appear. The last one, to whom augmented reality can be applied. This target can be aimed at students or in general adopting content from the planning and building application. For example, in the beginning there are students who have difficulty with geometric math. Then, how about care to success as an entrepreneur in education? First, you must care. However, if you want to make people entrepreneur in the long term, you have to care about what you do and care about creating a positive impact for those around you. The secondly, utilizing technology. While you can become an entrepreneur without using technology, it's getting harder and harder. Leveraging technology to create, promote, and support your offer make a lot of sense. Third, invest in teaching and learning. Successful educators invest time and effort in understanding other learning principles, developing their teacher skills, and working hard to engage and retain their learners. And the fourth, be strategic. What is new and unique is who say it and how they position their offering to the world. Successful entrepreneurs invest strategic and learn how to stand out in an increasingly crowded education market. Maybe this augmented reality is already commonly used abroad, but if it is packed with things that don't exist yet and are more unique, will still be a renewable innovation.
That's all we can presentation. If there are wrong words in the vocabulary, we are apologizing. Thank you for the opportunity given and see you next time.